Dear students, now we are going to learn poem number 2, Gratefulness, written by Joseph T. Rinaldi. Now I'll give a little brief idea about the poet. Joseph T. Rinaldi, originally from Windward, Pennsylvania, has spent 40 years in the field of education. Since his retirement, he spent much of his time in the visual arts, especially writing, painting, drawing, and woodcraft. His popular poems are A Binding Relationship, A Birthday Greeting, and A Bountiful Harvest. He is the author of The Willing Wind, A Tale of Love, and Ovation, and an assortment of poetry. His poem Graduation Day is the most read of all the poems he has written. Now, glossary. Sobbing means crying. Comfort means to make somebody who is worried feel better. Aid means help. Arduous means involving a lot of effort or energy. Now, poem recitation. I'm grateful for the eyes that I can see, the activities that can be done by me. I'm grateful for the ears that I may hear, the sobbing of those who need me near. I'm grateful for the lips that might speak words of comfort and peace, all unique. I'm grateful for a mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. I'm grateful for the hands that I might do. Some others are simple tasks for you. I'm grateful for the ability to always pray, to give me the strength and guidance every day. I'm grateful for one thing all else above, that I was given a heart that I may love. In this poem, poet has given a brief idea about every human being is blessed with organs like eyes, ears, lips, and hands. Human beings have also a heart to love, a mind that gives them the ability to help others. Here, the poet says that one has to be grateful to the Creator for granting all such possessions. He suggests that a good use of the organs be made a person perfect. This is the first stanza. I am grateful for the eyes that I can see, the activities that can be done by me. In the poem, poet says that he is grateful for the eyes that can see the activities, whatever he has done for himself. Next, I am grateful for the ears that I may hear the sobbing of those who need me near. And poem poet was grateful for his eyes, ears, because in his ears he can hear the person who were crying in front of him or near him. Sobbing means cry. Next, I am grateful for the lips that might speak words of comfort and peace to all who speak. He is grateful for the lips that helps him to speak words comfortably and peacefully. Then I am grateful for a mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. He was grateful for his mind because in his mind he might know the person who really need their help. I am grateful for the hands that I might do some arduous or simple task for you. Here, poet was grateful for his hands. In his hands, he can do some difficult and simple task for others. I am grateful for the ability to always pray to give me strength and guidance every day. White was grateful for the ability to pray to God. While praying to God, God has given strength and guidance. I am grateful for one thing, all else above, that I was given a heart that I may love. He was grateful for his heart, by which he can love to everyone. This is the poem Gratefulness. Next class, I'll come with another lesson. Now, I will end the class. Thank you. Bye bye.